Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we are going to show you how to add saddles in Palworld. Now, if you're seeing this for the first time, probably a new player, want to try out Palworld, and you want to know, how can I travel faster? Well, you will need to ride on your pals, whether it's like this on my Fanglope running, or just flying with a flying pal, or surfing with, like, riding that big thing right there. You will need saddles. So how do you get saddles? It's very easy. Just click on tab, and here you're going to be clicking on technology, on the technology tree, and you're going to scroll down until you find, pals that can, wear saddles. Like the first one is the Rushore. As you can see here, it says Rushore saddle at level 6. That's the earliest you can get saddles. And you just need to click this so that you could unlock it. And once you do, you will need something like this. Oh, it's outside. Okay, we're trapped. Okay, you will need a PAL workstation, which is, I think it is inside. Right, it is inside. So you're gonna need something like this. As you can see, a PAL workbench. So this is where you just craft PAL accessories. So some PALs have weapons like Pangolins rocket launcher. Some PALs have Digtoy's headband. Some PALs have saddles, so harnesses, right? So once you've unlocked a harness, a saddle, I mean, as you can see, it's like Chillet saddle right here. I've unlocked that because I've used that when I started out with the game. So it's going to show you what you need. You're going to need 10 leather, 20 fiber, 5 cloth, and 20 palladium fragments. So once you have all of those, all you need to do is click on start production and just craft it, and that's done. You don't need to, like, it's not going to be in your inventory. It's not going to be in your, your boxes, in your storage. You're going to be able to automatically ride that specific PAL. So for me, for example, right, if I bring up my Fanglope, since I have the Fanglope saddle, from back here, I can just press F, hold F, and I'm gonna ride my Fanglope, my pal. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.